Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you are still loading the database data into the BigQuery using the batch job, then you are missing one of the most powerful service in the Google Cloud. So guys, in the today's video, we will learn about the Google Cloud data stream and build the real time change data capture, which we are saying the CDC pipeline. So guys, what we will do, we will replicate the data from the Cloud SQL, that is MySQL, to BigQuery automatically. So whenever the changes in MySQL, those changes will appear in the BigQuery within the second. So by the end of this video, you will understand what is data stream is, how CDC work, data stream architecture, complete hands-on demo, and real world use case. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first let's understand what is data stream, right? So guys, data stream is guys serverless CDC service offered by the Google Cloud. So instead of copying the entire database repeatedly, data stream reads the database transactions log, capture only the changes. So guys, these changes can be streamed to BigQuery, Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL, and the Spanner. Uh, so guys, this approach is very highly efficient because only incremental changes are transformed. So let's understand the architecture. Okay. So guys, what we will do in we will create one Cloud SQL, Cloud SQL, that is MySQL, and we will read the binary logs and the data with the data stream, and we will write the data into the BigQuery. So here guys, Cloud SQL is act as your source database. Data streams continue monitors your database changes, and whenever the new record is inserted or updated, or we can say deleted, data stream capture these changes and stream into the BigQuery. So guys, this enables the real-time analytics. So guys, let's firstly create the Cloud MySQL instance. Okay, so let's go to the their SQL. You need to go to the Cloud SQL. So here you need to create the new instance, MySQL instance. Okay, so let's give the not production, we will use the development. Let's say instance ID will be, let's say, Datastream demo. Okay, then password, you can add the password. Okay, so then scroll down. Yeah, US Central one is fine. Let's see the additional machine configuration. I will take only the 2 CPUs. Storage, I will use the 10 GB. Connection, yeah, I make sure that this public IP is enabled. Security, this is fine. Okay, rest of the things are fine. Okay, so let's create on the create instance. So guys, this will take some time, okay, to create. Guys, so if you see our instance is running. Okay, so you can click on this instance ID. Now guys, let's create some database. We'll go to the database, and here I will create the database. Let's say order DB, we can say order DB. Okay, default one. Yeah, let's create. Yeah, it is now created. Let's create one user. Let me create one user. Let me say Kiran. Let's give the password. Okay, and let's add. Okay, and let's now add some table in the database. So it is order DB. It's Kiran. You can add your password, authenticate. Okay, so let's create some table in this one. So I will create this 2 table. I will create this order table. Okay, so here let me run this one. Yeah, it is now created. Let me insert some dummy records. Okay, Perfect. So guys, we have inserted some data. So now let's create the data stream service. Data stream. So to create the data streams, you need to create click on this create stream. So here let's give the stream name, let's say data stream demo, then select equal to MySQL to BigQuery. And here guys, you need to, before you continue, review the prerequisites. Open MySQL Cloud. Here we need to go to backup, recovery and high point sections and select the automatic backup and enable point in time recovery, right? So here you need to go to this backups and you can edit this one. So here what we need to see, we need to check this automated daily backups, point in time recovery, okay, and automatic backup, select automatic backup and enable the point in time recovery, yeah, which is already enabled, right? Enable point in time recovery, save this one. Okay, so now let's click on continue. So create the data stream user. To create data stream user, use the following command. Let's me use this one, and let's go to the MySQL. Here itself I will go cancel the stream. So here we will connect again. Yeah, here let's run this command. Let's give some password, then let's complete and close. Now let's continue. So here we need to create the connection setting. So here let's give the connection name, let's say data stream demo. Then here, yeah, so guys, here you need to use the host name or IP. So you will find that here you need to use this public IP. Okay, this public IP I can add here. Username, let's say yeah, user we have created as Kiram. Yeah, you can use the password here. Okay, continue. Encryption type, okay, encryption type none. Continue. Private connectivity, let's use the allow IP allowing. So what you need to do, you need to copy all this IP and you need to add in your MySQL instance. So go to MySQL instance, you need to whitelist this one, like you need to go to connections and here in network, add network, let's say DS1, range, done. Add network, go back again, DS2, 4, 4, we use this one, done. And network, DS5, and done. Okay, and let's click on the save. Continue. Yeah, this is done. So let's test, run the test. Yeah, test pass. Let's create. Okay, now click on the continue. So here we need to select the which database we need to migrate. Okay, so let's use this one, order DB, and here you need to select the table. Let's select all the table. Yeah, then let's click on the continue. Okay, destination connection profile, let's create the profile. Here let's say data stream demo. Okay, let's say 6. Okay, okay, let's continue. So guys, here we need to specify the BigQuery configuration. So my first project is fine. Data set prefix, let's say order data. Okay, then merge mode. Okay, continue, and let's run validation. Yeah, validation is pass. Let's create. It will take some. Okay, so let's start the stream. Okay, so stream is created, not started, so let's start. Will do once it is start, so Datastream will load all the historical records and then capturing the ongoing records. So let's wait. So let's also go to the BigQuery as well to see whether the data is migrated or not. If you see, there is no any data set with the order data, right? So let's see. It's starting. Yeah, if you see guys here, order data, order db, right? So if I expand this one, so guys you will see that now the data, yeah, now the table is migrated. So let's wait for the data. Okay, let's query. Let's start. Sometimes data might not be visible in the preview, so let's run the query. So if you see guys, our data is now loaded into the BigQuery. So like guys, let's add the one new record. So we'll see whether it is coming or not to the BigQuery. Okay, so let's click on the SQL. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me take one record and we'll add something. Instead of it should be, let's say, KD. Okay, now let's insert. Okay, now guys, we added one record. Let's see whether that record is coming to BigQuery or not. So guys, here you will see our record is inserted successfully. Okay, so also now let's update few records. Okay, so now let me update the name, or let me update some quantity. Okay, so let's go there. Let's go to the Cloud SQL. To the, okay, so now it's up and running. So okay, so let's now go to the Cloud SQL Studio. Let's use this database or the DB. Authenticate. Okay, now let's query this database. Select star from orders. Yeah, let's delete one record. Okay, let's delete the name always. Delete from orders. where customer name equals to this. Okay. Let's now run this one. Okay, it's not customer name, it's a customer name. It's done. Let's see the record. Yeah, it's not there. So let's see in the BigQuery. So guys, here you will see now the record is now deleted. So guys, that's it for today's video. So we learned how Datastream captures the database changes in real time and replicates to the BigQuery using the CDC. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So in the next video, we'll explore the another powerful GCP data engineering service with a real world demo. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next one.